So in this task we need to create a user named Karim on app server 1, and this user is going to expire on this specific date. So once he reaches this specific date, so that user is gonna expire automatically. So let's do that. Now SSH into app server 1 Tony stapp01, and the password is, and then put the password again. Okay, you're a root user now. And then in order to create a user, -h, so that's a help page. Here you can see -e stands for expiry date, so add user -e, and the expiry date would be this one, and give it username as per your task. It's Karim. So if you want to check it, you can run the command chage -l and the username just to check. So this user expires on December 7th 2023, so that's what we set. Let's check the task result now. Yeah, it's been successful now. Thank you so much for watching.